primary schools in India's New Delhi will remain closed until November 10th due to high air pollution levels, according to a government minister.
인도 수도권의 공기질 악화 상태가 계속되면서 뉴델리 지역 초등학교 수업 중단 조치가 오는 11월 10일까지 연장된다는 정부 발표가 나왔습니다. Earlier on, we saw the expression schools will be, I think it was suspended. So here we have schools will remain closed, similar sort of expression. But what's the deal here? It's not because it's cold, it's actually because the air is too polluted.
Yes, it's not the temperatures that are high, it's the pollution levels that are high. And so we've got New Delhi basically is on top of the real-time list of the world's most polluted cities. As of Sunday, according to Swiss group IQ Air, the air quality index was 471. And that's hazardous. That's the hazardous category. 0 to 50 is good. Above that, when we get to 100, not good. When we get to 200, we start to get to, well, worrying levels. And by the time we get to 400 to 500, that actually has an impact on healthy people, not just people with conditions. And it's dangerous to those who have existing conditions. So New Delhi was at 471. Lahore in Pakistan was at 261, which is considered very unhealthy. And so, yes, New Delhi, the schools are closed for grades 6 to 12. They're going to be given the option of shifting to online classes, but primary schools are going to remain closed until November 10th. And fingers crossed, the levels of air pollution go down.
상당히 높네요. 지금 아까 AQI라고 해서 Air Quality Index, 대기질을 측정하는 그런 척도가 될 텐데요. AQI에 따르면은 이제 대기질이 좋다라고 할 때가 0에서 50 사이래요. 이 수치가. 근데 지금 뉴델리는 471. 그래서 상당히 오염도가 높다.
So anyone, any normal, healthy adult exposed to that, that can have an impact on you. And if you're ill or if you're a child or an older person, you could be in real danger.
Yeah, it's the hazardous category there, which means, of course, really dangerous. Let's have a look at the expressions. The first one is to remain closed.
Well, if something is closed, it's not open. So we talk about a school or a store or whatever it may be being open or closed. If something remains closed, it's continuously closed. It's going to continue to be closed until a certain time.
네, closed, 문 닫았다 라는 의미죠. 그래서 가게도 만약에 closed today, 오늘은 영업 안 합니다 라고 할 때도 그냥 이렇게 간단하게 CLOSED, closed라는 간판을 쓰실 수 있을 텐데요. remain이라는 것은 그런 상태로 계속 유지가 된다는 겁니다. So remain closed, 학교가 문을 닫은 채로 이렇게 며칠 더 가겠다 이런 의미네요. Give us an example.
The store will have to remain closed until the roof has been properly repaired after soup put a hole in it.
네, 제가 구멍을 냈다고요, 지붕에다가. 지붕이 고쳐질 때까지는 가게가 문을 닫아야만 한다라는 얘기였습니다. 자, 그리고 high air pollution levels.
Yeah, in the same way that we talk about temperatures being high and low, we can talk about pollution levels being high and low. We can also say heavy pollution or bad pollution, but high air pollution levels is a very common expression to mean a lot of pollution in the air.
자, 높은 대기 오염 수준이죠. High air pollution levels. 다시 한번 읽어보겠습니다. Primary schools in India's New Delhi will remain closed until November 10th due to high air pollution levels, according to a government minister. And let's move on to the fourth headline.